In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com's free plan. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin with how to get started. First, head over to the Monday.com website using any web browser. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to create a new account. Simply follow the prompts to enter your information. If you already have an account, just log in using your existing credentials. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your first board. Look for the button labeled Plus New Board on your dashboard. When you click it, a prompt will appear asking you to give your board a name. Choose a descriptive name that captures its purpose, like Personal Tasks or Project Tracker. This way, you can easily identify your board later, helping you to centralize your work effectively. Next up is customizing your columns. Each board is made up of columns that allow you to track different types of information. You can add columns for deadlines, assignees, or status, depending on your needs. To customize, click the column headers and select the type of information you want to track. This flexibility is a key feature of Monday.com, enabling you to tailor your workspace efficiently. Now that you have your columns set, let's add some tasks, which are known as items in Monday.com. Click anywhere within the sections of your board to create these items. Each item represents a specific piece of work, which you can assign to yourself or team members. Don't forget to set due dates for these tasks to keep everything on track. With this feature, you'll have a clear view of what needs to be done and who's responsible for each task. After you have your items in place, it's a good idea to explore different board views. Monday.com offers several visualization options, including Table, Calendar, and Kanban. You can find these options in the board header. Experiment with each view to find out which one fits your workflow best. For instance, if you prefer seeing deadlines visually, the calendar view could work well for you. As you navigate through the free plan, it's important to manage your limits. The free version does come with restrictions on the number of users and storage. To ensure your workspace remains organized and within limits, regularly maintain it by archiving or deleting completed tasks. This practice will not only help you save space, but also keep your board clutter-free and focused on what truly matters. In summary, signing up for Monday.com and utilizing its features on the free plan can streamline your project management process significantly. From creating boards and customizing columns to adding tasks and managing your workspace effectively, these simple steps provide a solid foundation to get you started. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to use Monday.com's free plan. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and happy organizing!